Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, February 7th, 2022. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let you know that my new system has finally launched. We are live. It's called Global Prosperity System. You can visit the link down in the description box to be taken to the page that looks just like this, or you can simply visit www.globalprosperitysystem.com. This is an all-in-one marketing platform that is free to join, and you can even earn commissions as a free member. I do want to, however, talk to you about our founding membership options that we have right now, okay? Upon signing up, you're going to see 3 one-time offers. This is for a lifetime VIP founding membership. All right, I'm going to take you right down here and just show you the different membership levels. All right, so we're talking about the VIP right here. And upon signing up, you're going to get 147,000 credits. You're going to get 100 credits for clicking on banners, 100 credits for clicking on text ads, 200 credits for clicking on surf ads, 1,000 credits for clicking on solo ads, 100 credits for clicking on profile ads. You're going to get 5 free gift slots where you're going to be able to give away free gifts to people that sign up under you. You're going to be able to save 20 solo ads. You're going to get a 6% referral credit earnings. You're going to earn 600 credits earned per referral. So when you bring in a new referral, you're going to get 600 credits applied to your account. This is the big part right here. You're going to earn up to 60% commissions. You're going to get 1 VIP link in our recommended site of the day. There's an autoresponder tool that you can use. This is going to normally be $147, and I'm only taking 100 people. All right, so, and actually I think 5 or 6 people have already joined at this level. So what you want to do is look this over, because you're going to get all of this, what I just read to you, plus this special bonus ads package, which includes 200,000 advertising credits. You're going to get 2 lifetime banner ads, 10 regular banner ads, 10 text link ads, 5 login ads, 5 full page surf ads, and 2 solo email ads. All right, you're going to get all of that, and here's some more reasons why this is such a great deal. You're going to get all of that for $97. All right, now if that doesn't interest you, that's fine. All right, so the second OTO is going to be the exact same thing as the first, but the ad package is going to be smaller. All right, it's basically going to be cut in half. So you're going to get everything in the VIP membership, but then your ad package is going to be 100,000 advertising credits, and then everything is going to be cut in half from the original. Okay, and that right now is going to be $67 instead of the $147. Okay, and if that doesn't interest you, that's fine too. We have one final offer. You can join at the VIP level, no bonus advertising credits, but you're going to save $100 because this is only going to be $47. All right, and once 100 people have bought these, then I'm not going to have this as an option anymore. So if you purchase at one of these levels, you're going to be a VIP founding member. You're going to be grandfathered in for all the upgrades and future plans that I have with this system. This is just the beginning, okay? There's going to be so much stuff that I'm adding to this in the future. I'm not going to say anything about it right now, but I can tell you it's going to be one of the best systems online with what I have planned for it. So people are signing up left and right, and like I said, I've already have 5 or 6 people who have joined at the VIP level, and we just launched. So this is something you want to take advantage of if you like using these traffic exchange sites, and there's going to be a lot more stuff that I'm adding in the future. So anyway, again, visit the link down in the description box. You'll be taken to the homepage where you can sign up and learn more about this. And then if you're interested in becoming a lifetime founding member, it means you pay nothing, absolutely nothing after the initial cost here on these one-time offer pages. You're going to be a member for life, all right, and get all the upgrades and everything I add in the future. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And aside from that, I look forward to working with you and seeing how you enjoy my new system. So hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.